In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Forms after you submit them. A lot of people assume that once you click Submit on a Google form, your answers are locked in forever. But in many cases, you can still go back and change your responses, as long as the form owner has allowed editing. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how that works and what to look out for. First, open the Google form you just filled out. After you submit your responses, you'll land on a confirmation page. This is the page that usually says something like, "Your response has been recorded." Now this page is really important, so don't close it right away. Take a moment to look carefully at what appears right below that confirmation message. If the form creator has turned on the option to let you edit your response, you'll see a link that says, "Edit your response." It usually appears as a simple text link, often in blue, under the confirmation text. Go ahead and click that link. This will reopen the exact same form you just submitted, but this time in an editable mode. Once the form opens, you'll see all the answers you previously entered. Now you can go through each question and make any changes you need. Maybe you mistyped your email, picked the wrong multiple choice option, or want to update a short answer. Take your time to review everything carefully. Editing works just like filling it out the first time. Click into any field, change the text or selection, and move on. When you're done updating your answers, scroll all the way to the bottom of the form and click the Submit button again. This will overwrite your previous response with the new one. You won't be creating a second entry. You're simply updating the original submission. If you don't see the Edit Your Response link on the confirmation page, that means the form owner has not enabled editing after submission. In that case, you won't be able to change your answers on your own. Your best option is to contact the person or organization that shared the form and ask if they can update your response or resend the form to you. So to recap, the key is that Edit Your Response link on the confirmation page. If it's there, you're good to go. Click it, adjust your answers, and resubmit. If it's not, editing isn't allowed for that particular form.